standard, metric, ratchets, standard wrenches, screwdriver drawer, plier drawer, hammer drawer, and my extensions, electrical testers, just miscellaneous boxes like O2 sensors, ball joint press down there, extractors, AC leak detector, impact driver set, borescope, crack torch, hole saws. This is a dial indicator, scrapers, some drill bits, strap wrench, impact and cordless air tools, all my power tools. Some my metric wrenches. I don't use them very often. Most of my metric shit is at home. Some more boxes like butane, soldering gun, thread restore kit, some bits, more bits, extractors down there, stud remover installers, bushing installers, blind hole puller, 5-ton puller, 2-jaw puller, yes, snap-on 3/4 torque wrench, miscellaneous junk, grinder wheels, drill bits, shit like that, paperwork, fittings, spare wrenches, socket, that's it. That's an AC crimper, gloves and stuff. That's where I keep batteries and stuff. Most of them are on the chargers. My other broken ball joint press and clipboard.